Good day, everybody. Welcome to Tutoring Success. Today, we are going to be looking at the second theorem. So, the statement that is associated with the second theorem states that the angle which an arc of a circle subtends at the center is double the angle it subtends at any point on the circumference. And it is also famously known as the angle at the center 2 times the angle at the circumference, guys. So in this video, we are going to be looking at how to go about its proof. So firstly, we are going to identify what we are required to prove. So in this case, we are required to prove that AOB is equals to 2 times APB, right? That's what we are required to prove. And then we are going to construct a straight line which is from P is going to pass through O and then is going to produce Q. So let me draw it in color, guys. The line is going to be like this, and then at the bottom here we are going to be having Q, right? And then we are going to let P1 to be equals to X. Let's say this is P1, this is P2, this is O1, and then this is O2. Then we are saying let P1 equals to X. That means here we are going to be having X, right? And then we are going to start our proof. So what can we say about equal lines, guys? We know that we are having radius. So OP is a radius, and we also know that OA is a radius and OB is also a radius. So what does radius is normally tells us? If you can look at this triangle POA, we are going to be having base angles which are equal, which is X and X, right? So how do we go about it? We are going to say PO is equals to OA. We are going to state our reason, which is radii, right? And then we are going to say P1 is equals to A is equals to X. And then our reasoning is going to be angles opposite equal sides. Normally, I usually say base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. And then after that, guys, I want you to draw your attention on triangle PAO. I will try to construct it PAO, guys. We are having something like this, right? There's this other phenomenon that is being taught earlier at school, maybe on your grade 8, 9. They are saying if you add this angle and this angle, you are going to get this angle. So that reasoning is known as the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to opposite interior angles, right? To the sum of the opposite interior angles. So what does that mean to our situation here? It means that O1 is equals to A plus P, right? You are going to say, your reasoning, you are going to say exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angle of opposite interior angles. So what does that mean? It means that our O1 is going to be X plus X, which is going to give us 2X, right? So we obviously know that we have to label it on our diagram. So we are going to be having 2X here. So on that other side, we are going to say, guys, this is O1, right? Okay, on the other side, guys, we are going to say let P2, right, equals to Y. And then similarly, this thing is going to happen on our Y, right? Similarly, this is going to happen to our P2, to our P2. Right, what do I mean by that? we are going to be having, let's say we are going to be having y at the top here, right? And then we are also going to be having our y here. So it's not a must to write this on your proof, guys. You can just say let p2 equals to y, and then we also know that if p2 is y, the same thing that happened with x, it's automatically going to happen with our y. So we know that o2 is going to be equals to y, 2y, I mean. And then after that, guys, that's where we are on our final leg of our proof. So if this video is being helpful or valuable to you, please don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Just put that like button. So okay, we're going to be having AOP, right? AOP is going to be equals to, let's say it's going to be 2x, right? It's 2x plus 2y, isn't it? And then AOP is going to be, you can also take out the common factor. You are going to take out 2, then you are going to be left with x plus y. And then you are going to go to your diagram, guys. As you can clearly see that angle APB is the same as saying x plus y. Hopefully you can all see my yellow color there. So then we can conclude that therefore AOP is equals to 2APB. And then we can say proven. So that's how we prove the second theorem, guys. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to post it on our comment section below. I will get back to you. And if this video was valuable to you, please don't forget to put that like button. On your screen right now, there's a video that is going to pop out on how to solve practical questions using Theorem 2.